In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Telegram account permanently. This is a complete step-by-step guide that will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Whether you're switching to a different messaging app, concerned about privacy, or simply want to take a break from Telegram, this tutorial will show you exactly how to permanently remove your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to my.telegram.org/AUFF. This is Telegram's official account management website where you can access advanced settings including account deletion. Once the page loads, you'll see a login screen. In the phone number field, type in your mobile number that's currently linked to your Telegram account. Make sure to include your country code at the beginning. After entering your phone number, click on the next button to proceed. Telegram will now send a verification code to your account. Open your Telegram app on your phone or in your browser to check for the code. You should receive a message from Telegram with a login code. This usually arrives within a few seconds. Once you see the message containing your login code, click on Copy Text to copy the verification code to your clipboard. Now, return to the Telegram account management page in your browser and paste the code into the verification field. After pasting the code, click on Sign In to access your account settings. You'll now be logged into the Telegram account management dashboard. Look for the Delete Account option and click on it. This will take you to the account deletion page. On the deletion page, you'll be asked to provide a reason why you're leaving Telegram. Enter your reason in the text field. This step is required by Telegram to complete the deletion process. Finally, click on Delete My Account. This is the final step that will permanently remove your Telegram account. Once you click this button, your account, messages, groups, and all associated data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Telegram account permanently. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any important conversations or media before proceeding. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this one.